Hello, today I will guide you on how to check laptop battery health in Windows 11. Step 1, open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Win+S, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Step 2, run the battery report command. Type the following command and press Enter. This will generate a battery report. Step 3, locate and open the battery report. Open File Explorer and go to C. Find an open battery-report.html in a web browser. Step 4, check battery health. Now you can view and analyze your laptop's battery health on Windows 11 without using additional tools.